Goal 3. Good health and well-being. Welcome to Zipline Omenaku. Since establishing itself here in Omenaku, Ghana in 2019, Zipline has expanded to 6 distribution centers in remote areas of the country, making Ghana home to the world's largest fleet of medical delivery drones. Government implemented the largest medical drone delivery services in the world to eliminate stock outs, cold chain breakages, and accelerate emergency response to hard-to-reach areas. This year, 1 million COVID-19 vaccine doses were delivered across the country. This investment in healthcare delivery is part of the larger mission to build a stronger, more agile health system that better serves the people of Ghana to ensure it leaves no one behind. Zipline operates at national scale, serving over 15 million people from 6 distribution centers, with 2 more expected to launch later this year. The service has expanded rapidly in Ghana to meet demand, scaling from 160 facilities in 2019 to nearly 2,300 today. In that time, Zipline Ghana has flown 13 million miles and delivered more than 5 million doses of vaccines, in addition to blood products and other essential medicines. It's benefiting to know that these programs also provide jobs, as drone centers are 100% manned by Ghanaians.